YouTube. This is that hive, the water meter removal I got. We are about to go into here and see what we've got. We're waiting on Tropical Storm Cindy to roll up this high and potentially douse us with some water. So I want to get in here and take a look before he gets here. Alright, and I don't have an inner cover on this. Popping the top. A lot of bees in there. Let's see if I can get one of these frames out and see. I'm curious to see whether they built that comb up or whether it's hanging just by the rubber bands. You can see they've got a little bit of burr comb built up in the middle. So let me get in here and see what we've got. Alright, this is the first frame I've taken out. I can see I've got brood. I've got cat brood. I've got larvae in there. I've built a little piece of comb to hold this thing in place. I have to be really gentle with it. Here's the other side. Kind of looks like the same thing. I see bees down there with pollen. I'm going to set this somewhere. Make sure I don't clean it. There's brood there. Be a little careful here. I don't see any eggs or anything now, so I think I'm probably okay. So I'm just going to carefully set this guy over here. Give me a little room to work. See, that other piece is, I kind of left it the way it was. This one appears to be in the same situation. They pushed it over to the side. More of that cat brood in there. Getting a little testy. Let me go ahead and put that down in there. I think it's been right at a week since I pulled this out. Oh, this one kind of rolling around in there. Nothing here. Little cat brood left there. They're getting a little upset with me right now. They've not been in there very long. Alright, now this is where I have those bees right there in the middle, which is kind of where I'm thinking I might see my queen. I never saw her when I was getting the... Oops, sorry about that finger. When I was getting this out of the box, I never saw my queen. Oh, they built this up nicely. And this is the nectar. See what I have on the other side here. Some cat brood there. Don't see any eggs or anything. I can see they're building up a section of it down there. This is going to turn into a hot mess, I think, down in there. There's some empty spots in there. And they appear to just be kind of building into those empty spots, and it's kind of spreading out. Alright, girls, watch out. Windy today, obviously. More cat brood here. Alright, so I've got pollen, I've got larvae, so she's in here somewhere. They're laying. We got little baby bees a making, which is what we're after. Sorry about that phone. I'm trying to be careful in the wind here. I sure would like to see her though. You can see they've built that big old ridge up there. Let me slide that back in there. This is kind of where I think I need to be careful, because this is where I suspect my queen is headed. Alright. If I don't see her, I know that she's in here because I have larvae in here. And it's been, like I said, it's been 7, 8 days, something like that. Got more cat brood here. A lot of pollen, some orange pollen, some yellow here. Still don't see her, and like I said, I'm not all that concerned about it. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back together. And actually, I'm going to put a second box on top of this. With some frames. There you go. Give them some room to go up. Even though I still have that frame down there, I want them to have some space to go up there. So let me pause this and grab a box. Alright, and there's that one. Got another deep on there. I'm going to go ahead and take out this screen I had in there. Put that there. Try to keep it clean from there on me there. Didn't want that to swarm on me. We'll go ahead and take a quick peek in this guy. So we got a big old roach up in there. That's not good. Crocodile's down there, so hoping to find that they've moved up into here and drawn some comb. I see bees in there because I would like to go ahead and put a super. This is that swarm we got out of Crenshaw, and man, these guys have just been going to town. All right, let's see what we've got. There's frames in there. We got them all stuck together. Pull the frame out of here and see what we have. Alright, you can see it's not as far along as I'd have hoped. They are drawing it out. There's some comb there being drawn out. They're just now starting to work these frames up top. So, I'm not sure whether I'm going to get honey out of this guy this year or not. But we shall see. Let's put this guy back together. And we're just going to let this one go the way it is and hope that they start filling these frames up. It's kind of a hodgepodge of frames in there. I really don't like those plastic ones, and apparently my bees don't much like them either. So let me put this one back together and I'll pop this last hive up here. Alright, quick peek at this last one. This was that package that we got from H&R out there in Georgia. We're still in there. Let's see what we got. They're not moving along as fast as I would like. This guy started out real strong, so I'm clean pretty quickly. Had eggs and whatnot. But looking at this, they are not. Look at them. There's a dead spider in there. They were attacking that dead spider, making sure he's dead, I reckon. Alright, see that frame? Just an itty bitty bed. Comb drawn there. Same thing there, just an itty bitty bed. And here, we have a good number of bees in there. Let me pop that out and see if I can find some signs of having a good queen. Alright. I don't see her. Oh, there she is right there. I was just saying I don't see her. And if y'all can see her, where'd she go? There she is. Kind of hard to see through this veil, but she's yellow dot on her. She's marching around doing her thing. There is larva. There's cat brood. She's doing her thing. It's a decent pattern. It's pretty solid. Some pollen there in the middle of it. I'm a happy man. I saw my queen. Important little tip to remember. I just slid that frame down in there. When you slide the frame in there with the queen, you want to be extra careful, obviously. You don't want to roll it between the frames there and squish her. So when you know where she is, you have to be careful all the time. But you definitely don't want a squished queen. So just kind of be gentle when you put these frames back together. Give her time to make her escape there and get out of the way if she happens to be between things that are coming crashing in. Alright. that is the front inspection. 3 hives, 3 good queens. Need to do some weed eating under here. Probably about time to reapply some of that grease to these legs. And I'm going to walk back to the back apiary now. This is where, the back apiary is where I had those problems with hive beetles so badly, and I'm reasonably sure I probably lost one. So we'll take a look and see. Hopefully if I did lose any, it's just one. Alright, all in all, not a bad day in the bee yard. These 3 hives are looking good. The 2 swarms are, the water meter removal and the swarm look really good. That package is chugging along. Overall, everything looks good. So thanks for watching. Click like, click subscribe. We appreciate it.